Hey guys, it's Kurt from Rocker Star Trading. Another day, another setup here sa ating shop. Today, nasa Salawag branch po tayo at magsisetup po tayo ng Strada 2018. So, ang ikakabit po natin dito guys is yung Pro Fender Queen Series, Fuel Mags, tsaka 275/70 R17 na BF Goodrich tires. So, subaybayan niyo po ako sa episode na to.
Okay, let's go.
Right, so currently binabaklas na po nila yung stock na shocks ng Strada ng customer natin. At ilalagay po natin tong Pro Fender Queen Series na to. So na-feature ko na to sa isang video ko guys. Meron siyang 16 step or 16 level na adjustment para po sa dumping system niya. Yan, so napakaganda po nito guys. Gagamit din po tayo ng hub-centric ring, and ang purpose po nito is to fill the gap between the mag's center bore tsaka po nung hub nung sasakyan natin. Okay? So, papakita ko po sa inyo. Alright, so guys, dito yan kinakabit guys. Oh. Yan, may nakakabit ng una. Alright, so ang purpose ito guys is para yung mags is hindi lang nakakapit sa lug nuts, nakakapit din po siya dito. Yan po yung purpose ng hub-centric ring. So yun po yung naging purpose niya guys, yung hub-centric ring. Okay? So kung mapapansin nyo guys, hindi lang siya sa lug nuts kakapit, kundi dito rin sa hub-centric ring na to. Alright, so I hope that helps. Let's go!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so